Hello, my name is Aaron Rose, and I'm a broker with REMAX Boone Realty, and I'm located in Columbia, Missouri. Columbia is in the middle of Missouri and, of course, the United States. Today, I'm excited to show you a listing at 5939 Screaming Eagle Lane. This is a 5-bedroom, 3 full bath, 3-car garage home with such beautiful curb appeal like this natural wood accents, and the home has a ton of amenities, so please step inside. Our office with French doors, beautiful ceiling in our formal dining room, our first of 3 full bathrooms. Our main area, tall ceilings, open, inviting, stone accents, gas fireplace, custom built-ins, screened in and covered porch for privacy, chef's kitchen, stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, deep navy cabinetry, beautiful pantry, bedroom 2 and bedroom 3, with pocket doors that share this bathroom. Utility room, our master bedroom, custom wood ceiling, and another way to step out to our screened-in back patio. Enormous closet, proudly boasting your very own coffee station or wet bar. Our master bathroom, dual vanity sinks, tub, walk-in shower, all complemented by 2-foot by 4-foot Italian tile. 5939 Screaming Eagle Lane has beautiful curb appeal. This generous upstairs bonus room, our 3-car garage, complete with epoxy-coated floors. Again, my name is Aaron Rose, and I can be found on the web at goarose.com. Again, that's GOAROSE.com. See you on the net.
If you like this home or any other home, realize I'm only a mouse click or a phone call away.